Welcome guys. Well, today's video is not just about the looks but also covers a very important safety hazard which the car enthusiast guys often undergo, which is when we install the wider and bigger tires, then the fender rubs in the tires and cuts them out, which is very dangerous because usually there the side wall is the area where it's being cut. So the side wall is also very weak, so if there is cut there, the tire can burst on high speeds. Let me show you two examples. Both are my tires. One was on the left side, one on the right side, and let me show you how it is. So this is the tire which was previously installed, and look at that where the fender cut. Now I will install the Fender Flare. I will be explaining that later. So that was installed here. Now I have rolled this fender, but I will tell you what is the problem with rolling on the front fender. The rear fender, the metal is hard one, okay? So when I roll that, this stays here, so no more rubbing. Look at how much it has rolled out, and look at how much deep the tire is. Now on the contrary, on the front side, the metal is very thin, okay? Even you can pull it out with your hand. For example, here is my CRZ. So if I try it, look at that, it is just coming out. So what happening was, when this was coming out and it was not touching with the tire, but as soon as we drive or after 1-2 days, this will again go back. So what it was doing was, it was cutting the tire side wall, which is very dangerous. Look at this. And the side wall, is a thin one, so cutting here is very dangerous. I will show you another example. This was the tire previously on the front side of my Honda Fit, okay? So look how deep it cut it, and look at there, okay? It's side wall and it's very deep, okay? Let me turn it. Look at that, it's all around. Look, and there it is. So it is very dangerous. So what I did was, I will show you in the picture. So now my fender is almost, look at how much outside it is. Oh? No danger of touching the tire. Look at that. Okay, so I am very much away from the tire. Other important thing is, when you do this, then steer the tire in all direction in extreme steering position and see if anything other is rubbing. For example, this piece here, this was rubbing on the back side of the tire. So look at that, I cut that here. It's all dirty, sorry about that, it needs a service, but look at that, okay? So I cut this out, and there is another portion here, if you can see it, that was also rubbing, so I hammered it toward back, okay? Very easy to do. So that's all.